Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Measure the height from the head of the window, top fixed frame piece, to the windowsill, bottom fixed frame piece. As with the width, take 3 measurements, down the left side, right side and the middle. Record the shortest measurement, this ensures that the new window will fit. The 1st of November 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A sill is the main horizontal part forming the bottom of the frame of a window. A jambliner is a strip which goes on the sides of a window frame that provides a snug fit for the window sash. 30 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Measure from the top left corner of the frame to the bottom right corner and from the top right corner to the bottom left. If the measurements are equal, the window is square, figure C. You can also check squareness of the window by measuring diagonally as shown, figure C.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.